Tell me, are you safe?
I'm here to track down the Riskonite and to answer your call for safety.
Welcome to the Safety League.
Who are you? Show yourself!
I am Lady Sun, and I'm here to shine light on mayhem.
Safety League, let's stomp out mayhem.
Beautiful liar, your world is on fire. Look at the mess you made of it all your desires, they creep like a virus in perfect decay. Cause even if you make me cry, I will never leave your side. So go ahead and tell me lies I wanna hear. Lie to me now.
Who's Storm? Say, this is made up of Storm. Over this way.
Lie to me now. Lie to me now. Lie to me now.
Have a delivery for you.
I don't understand. He's been number one villain of the year after year. But since Safety Man has shown up, he catches them every single time. But that's about to change. Are you up for the challenge?
Yes, I am.
true value citizen. Are you okay? What happened? Sorry about that. Anything hurt? Okay, don't worry about it. The safety league will take care of this.
Come here.
I seen Storm was here causing mayhem. That's alright, cause I'm here to heat up the party for you guys and keep everyone safe. I guess we've had a storm come through.
Lady Sun, opportunity?
Yes, I'm here to shine a light on the situation.
Outstanding. I can use someone with your talents.
Let's go get them.
Let me be the first one to recognize you. Welcome to the safety league.
Thank you.
Safety man keeps winning. Time to initiate Project Riskanite.
Oh, what is this? Taking my strength. Must be something in the air. Safety man, are you okay?
Don't know. I feel something. Something's not right. Not sure what it is. I can taste it. It's in the air.
Fumes!
Help, Lady Sun, I'm over here.
Oh, yes! Citizens!
This way, Lady Sun, I'm over here. Help me.
Someone's calling!
Lady Sun, wait.
Help me, please. Help me.
Here I go!
This way, Lady Sun, over here. Help me.
Here I... Oh! Ah! Oh!
Help, safety man, I'm over here.
I'm hearing voices as well.
This way, safety man.
Who is it? It's another True Value citizen.
Hurry.
Don't worry. On my way.
Help, I need you.
I know that I heard some voices here. What? What have you done? What have you done?
Are you up for the challenge?
Yes, I am.
Hey, Laura, that was a good message you brought us today. Oh, thank you. Safety man's missing. What are we gonna do now?
I don't know. Things couldn't get much worse. It's gonna keep us safe now.
I don't know, but here's an email. Oh, the real truth about Safety Man. Let's see what this says.
Oh, Becky, why did you click on that? You don't know who that is.
Oh no, my computer just went down. I knew I shouldn't have clicked on that. What are we gonna do now?
You don't click on things when you don't know who it is.
Did any of your computers go down? Mine just went down.
Mine just went black.
Oh, there goes mine. Mine's going down too.
Oh no, what are we gonna do? Oh!
can't believe I've gotten captured on my first day with the Safety League. I went from superhero to damsel in distress.
Lady Sun, first off, you haven't went to superhero to damsel in distress. We're just in a little bit of a situation. It's all part of the job. Calm down, relax. We'll figure this out.
Thanks, but how do you stay so calm? We're captured. There's no way to get out. MacGyver's so nervous he hasn't said a word the entire time.
Oh, you think that he's nervous. MacGyver's always thinking about the next step and the step ahead of that. I've been chasing this guy for years, and trust me, I've been in much worse situations than this. And with the electric restraints, I would move them and try to remove them, but they are fully powered with extremely high voltage. So every time that you try to move, it's gonna get you like that, right? So we have to think of another plan outside of removing the restraints.
Well, it sounds like we're gonna need a miracle or a good power outage.
Well, speak of the devil.
Sneaking.
There's your miracle.
All right,
Trust me,
let's go.
safety always wins.